To make a reservation on Booking.com, start by opening the website and selecting your destination, either by typing the city or country name in the search bar or by using the map view to browse. Locations. Choose your travel dates and the number of guests. Then click the search button to find available accommodations. The next step is to filter the search results based on your preferences, such as price range, accommodation type, and rating. You can also use the map view to see the location of each property and its proximity to local attractions. Once you have selected a property, click on it to view the details, including the description, amenities, and policies. Check the room types and rates, and select the one that suits your needs. Be sure to read the cancellation and payment policies before proceeding. To make a reservation, click the Reserve button and fill in your personal and payment details. You will need to provide your name, email address, and credit card information to secure the booking. Some properties may also require a deposit or prepayment, so be sure to check the payment terms. After completing the reservation form, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the booking summary, including the dates, room type, and total cost, and make sure you understand the cancellation and payment policies. Finally, click the Confirm button to complete the reservation. You will receive a confirmation email with the booking details and a reference number. Be sure to print or save the confirmation email, as you may need to present it upon arrival at the property. When making a reservation on Booking.com, it is essential to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions. Check the property's policies on things like check-in and check-out times, parking, and amenities, and be aware of any additional fees or charges. By following these steps and being mindful of the details, you can make a smooth and successful reservation on Booking.com.